Well, welcome to Muttonstyle, my over 50 fashion life. And today I've got a bit of excitement while we're in lockdown. Today I am doing a Lookiero unboxing. Right, let's get some scissors and get this box open. This is a really pretty bag actually. Very nice. It is made by Nude Atelier. Is that a brand? I'm not sure. Anyway, wasn't labelling on it or anything. I do like that hardware on the front. I really like that. Let's see if I can focus in. Focus. Really nice hardware. So that goes in there. A pretty bag. Really pretty bag. So let's look inside it. It's nice. It's got a zip. That's good. I like bags with zips inside. But yeah, the brand looks like it's a brand called Nude. Looking at the labelling inside. I like that. It smells of leather actually. So I think it probably is leather. So if you were, concerned about that, that would be a problem. But so it's a Nude Atelier. It's a brand Diane bag in nude in camel. Yeah, I rather like that. I rather like that. I can definitely see a use for that in my life. Right then, what's the next parcel? Right then, I'm really sorry, but I have recorded this twice already and the sound is gone. I am now going to have to record without a mic. And I hope you can hear me because I've got to send this box back and my mic is now charging. So apologies for sudden interruption in sound. Anyway, because I've recorded this twice already without sound, obviously my package here has been unwrapped. Now then, the first thing I opened, I'm doing this in a different order now, other than the bag, so after the bag, I opened this t-shirt, which is a graphic tee by a brand called Grace and Mila. And it says darling on the front. Now, if I was younger, I would keep this t-shirt because it feels really good quality. It really does feel very, very good quality. I just feel that I am too old at 58 to be wearing a t-shirt that says darling. Other than that, it'd be fantastic. I do wear graphic tees. I'm not saying that at my age I wouldn't wear a graphic tee, because I do. I just don't think I'd wear one that says darling on it. There's a black pleated skirt here from Vera Moda, and it's lined. It feels really good quality. The sort of thing I would definitely wear. I do have pleated skirts and I do have black skirts, not pleated. I kind of feel that I don't need another pleated skirt and I don't need another black skirt. I feel that pleats also they've been around for a while. So the pleats I've got currently, I will continue to wear, but I'm not of a mind to continue to buy pleats. I think we're more going to a different type of shape skirt, like the slip skirt. So I'm not of a mind really with that one. A pair of brown check trousers from a brand called Lindex. And they've got an elasticated waist, they look really comfortable, they're very warm. They look like the sort of weight of the trousers that I recently got in a Stitch Fix box that were very similar colouring that I absolutely adore. And if I didn't have those, I would equally be adoring these. But I do feel, because I kept a pair of brown check trousers in my Stitch Fix box, from my Stitch Fix box, I really don't need these ones. But I do love the look of them. I feel quite excited over. It's this blouse from Warehouse. I'm often keeping Warehouse stuff from both boxes actually, from Stitch Fix and Lookiero. But this blouse from Warehouse, and it's got these beautiful buttons on it. There's the buttons there. And on the sleeve as well. I don't have a blouse similar to this at all. So I am really quite excited about this blouse, equally excited about the bag. And I could see very much how this blouse, the trousers and the bag would make a really good outfit, and I can see how the pleated skirt and the graphic tee would make a good outfit. And I've got to say, as I said, a pleated skirt and a graphic tee is certainly a look that I have been wearing over the last few years and very comfortable wearing it. I think it's a really great look, especially with trainers. And equally a checked brown pair of trousers I'm perfectly comfortable wearing because I have some and I've been wearing them. Anyway, I'll try this on. Right, this has surprised me because it's actually not a skirt. I had thought it was a skirt. It's not at all. It's a it's kind of culottes. So I've changed my mind. I can really do with something like this. Yeah, I like it. I like it. It would be hot in the summer, too cold in the winter, but this time of year, in autumn, great, and it would be good for work as well as for sort of going out. Very nice, very nice. My sort of style. Here's a t-shirt. Yeah, see, I've got graphic t-shirts that I could easily wear with this. Absolutely fine, no problems. But I'm not keeping a t-shirt that says "darling." But I thought you might want to see it. It's a really good shape. It's a really good fit. Very good shape. Very good quality. It feels to me like it wouldn't lose shape. So, you know, if you were thinking about this brand, it feels to me like it would be a good brand. Anyway, yeah, there you go. Right, next outfit. So these are the trousers, and good length on me, good fit, feel warm and snug. Because they're such a good fit, I don't know, you know. But I've got some. I don't need another pair. No, I don't need another pair of brown check trousers. Even though these are a good fit. I really don't. Otherwise, it would be very tempting to keep these because they feel so comfortable. They kind of give as you walk. You know, good. And they're elasticated as well, so they're going to really at the back, not the front, and they don't pucker. But they're not. It's not like they're puckering up here, you know, from elastic. So you can't see it's elastic. It's actually really good. But no, I don't. I just don't need them. But if I did, I would keep these because they're a really good, comfortable fit. I like them. As for the blouse, very much like this blouse as well. And I haven't got anything like this, and I could definitely use it for work and for going out, you know, restaurants and pubs and things like that. So great little blouse this is. Right, I'll just wear this with the bag. So here's the bag, and I mean, they've nailed me. You know, the outfit, they've really got me. You know, they've nailed me here, definitely. It's just, they've just done it so well. They've got things I've already got. But I like this as an outfit, and I can definitely use this bag and blouse with the brown check trousers I've already got. I wonder how much these are. These are very tempting to keep, even so. It might be that you could have quite a few brown check trousers in your life and still wear them all, because they feel so like a second skin to me. Okay, so we have a paperwork here that's fallen on the floor. A 10% discount for you, and that will be in the code down below if you're interested in trying Lookiero. And I have my letter from my stylist, Kate, who says, "Dear Anne-Marie, thank you for ordering with me again. I hope you love your new clothes. I'm sorry I didn't get it quite right last time. And last time actually I sent 4 out of 5 things back, and I kept 1 item. But I was so excited to see you wearing the shirt on your Instagram, and that's a shirt with the cheetahs on it. I really like that shirt. Your outfit was fabulous. I hope you love these new pieces as much. As you mentioned last time, the trousers were too long or too tight. I made sure to get that right this time, and do you know, Kate, you have. They are right. The fit, perfect. These check trousers by Lindex are so chic, and they will fit perfectly in all the right places. The good thing about a flare is they help to balance your figure. I can totally see you wearing these trousers with some white trainers. Yep. A gorgeous blouse, but by Warehouse. That blouse, yeah, I like that blouse. With a leather jacket or a blazer. True. Classic boho with a casual twist. Yes, it's me. You're selling me on these trousers. You really are. Even though I've got some very similar. You're still selling me. Next, I saw these culottes by Vera Moda. They are so flattering, you can easily dress them up with heels or down with a pair of trainers. As you like a loose fit t-shirt, I picked this graphic tee by Grace and Mila to pair with them. Tucked in again. Layer up with a trendy jacket, accessorise the look by adding a pop of colour in the form of this amazing mustard crossbody bag by Nude Atelier. I think you're going to love this, and I do. The graphic t-shirt, as I said, actually the logo on it is just too young for me. But I think it's a brilliant quality t-shirt. The bag I love, and those check trousers. That's very tempting to keep now. Culottes, I'm not sure about, you know. I don't know to what extent I'll get the wear out of them. Because if I'm going to go out somewhere or go to work, I'm more likely to wear a skirt, but the culottes are current, they're fashionable. I'm also thinking by the time we're allowed out the house, because this was in lockdown, the weather's going to be warmer. But then in Britain, even in May, it could be, you can have cold evenings, and so a pair of culottes will look quite nice actually. I get a £41 discount if I keep it all, but I want to send back that t-shirt, which is 22, which doesn't make sense. It makes more sense to keep the t-shirt and say, right, I'm keeping off everything. The cropped brown trousers are 25. If I sent the two back, I would be saving myself £46. If I keep it all, I save £41. It doesn't make sense to send it back. So it's only a saving of £6. And actually I could, for the sake of £6, I could use those trousers, and the t-shirt I could give to somebody else who might wear it. This is the quandary with these boxes sometimes. Anyway, yeah, you're gonna have to leave that one with me when I think about it, because the alternative is to send back also those culottes, which are £42. So this is the quandary. It's a maths game. It's a maths game. So actually, leave me with this. And you might want to just have a look at another video up here about how Lookiero works. In the meantime, leave this maths problem with me. And I will, by the time that I edit this video, you'll know what I've decided to do. So thank you for watching, and I hope I see you in another video very, very soon.